welcome back to the bench. Today I ordered a carbon fiber 18th scale chassis. Anyway, it's a carbon fiber 18th scale Buggy chassis. And carbon fiber tray. It looks like a roof. And some braces for the chassis. And all the hardware you need. So yeah, it doesn't look like it's too difficult. We have to look at the picture. Problem is they don't have this on there anymore. To figure out how to put it together, that's one thing about Timu. You ain't getting any instructions. I shouldn't say you ain't getting any. You're not getting any instructions. And this is sold out. But it's 1/18th scale kit, and it's a Buggy kit. And as you can see, it's just got a roof. It's like a cop crawler, miniature style. So, and yeah, not much to it. Pretty easy, looks like, to put together. Then we have the top. That's made out of aluminum. And these look like they're ambidextrous. They'll go on anyway. They're the same on both the sides. So let's quickly put this together. And then we'll start getting parts for everything else. Alright, so it shows the frame. Use this one for this side. Lots of mounting spaces. Okay, so they have some chrome type screws for the roof. Not sure why. Everything else is black. This is, I'm sure, these are a little smaller than I was expecting. These are scale hardware, so maybe that's why they give it to you in chrome. I don't know. I say chrome, it's probably silver. Is what the color is supposed to be, but anyway, they're not black. Alright, so that's pretty simple. This tray comes with no screws to hold it in. It looks like you use with zip ties. Well, actually, no. It has tabs that fit in slots on the frame. So yeah, it'll be locked in place. I don't know what those are for, but yeah, there's tabs. They fit into tabs. So that's your tray for your electronics. Alright, so we got tubes Put one. I got long screws. I don't think we're going to ever need those. Those are probably for to hook the links to the skid plate. Now I have a skid plate coming. It's not here right now, so we got some little nuts or something. I'm not sure what. We got 3 tubes and got 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and they're all the same length, so very simple. Adjustable to put them wherever you want. I'm going to put them in the very first bottom hole. Not that it really makes any difference. And the other one, it looks like, is just front of the tube. I mean the tray. So this is a very simple chassis to put together. Lightweight, won't be top heavy, and it's got a metal roof, but no big deal. Okay, and a tube for the back. And of course we'll just stick that in the top hole. Because I don't think it's going to make any difference. Lots of adjustability for shocks. I'll tell you what. Yeah, that's going to be quite the buggy. Little buggy. Alright. So put the other side on. Get the tray lined up. That'll be the hardest part. Well, it wasn't too bad. Get the roof screws in. Okay, this is pretty simple, guys. Pretty simple. Like I said, they don't send you any instructions, but they have pretty good pictures on their website. So, yeah, that's 18th scale. So they say. It's awful small to me. I have to give you some extra hardware here. Definitely. But these I know from doing working on this other 18th scale from Temu. These are for shocks, links, stuff like that, and skid plate. So otherwise, this is pretty simple to put together, and everything seems to fit pretty good. Get the tray back in. Yeah, that's the precision, the cut is everything is up to this point. It's been pretty straightforward and fits quite well. Alrighty. Pretty simple. Pretty simple. Very light. And like I said, they gave you an extra roof laying, got 4 nuts, all the hardware you need to put it together, and some zip ties. Wire management, more than likely. I use these size for my wire management. So yeah, very simple. Kind of looks different than that, huh? This is an 18th scale. This is 18th scale. But I mean, once you get all the hardware underneath it, this is just a frame, buggy frame sitting on top of all the cool stuff. So yeah, not a difficult thing to put together. And I will put the information in the description for this, but like I said, right now it's out of stock. So, but they do have others that are, like I said, they're all around $12. If you, yeah. So yeah, I mean, actually pretty well made. I like it. I really do. It fits together perfectly, and it's carbon fiber, and it's very light. Should be very strong. So yeah, all right. So short video today, but it went a lot quicker than I thought it would. So thanks for watching, and have a great day.